Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. If you have been wondering how can you see and find all of your liked posts on Instagram in one place, then you came to the right video. Today in this video I'll show you exactly where to find them and in a very easy and clear method as well. So if that's what you're looking for, follow up with me till the very end and let's jump right into it. First we need to get something out of the way, because since we're going to be using the Instagram app for this process, we should find it on a Play Store or App Store right here to make sure we have the app updated to the latest version for everything to work properly in this process. After that, of course, we can go ahead and quit the store. Now open Instagram. Make sure you are logged into your account. As you can see here, guys, I'm going to start by liking a random post right here, and I'll show you after that how can you find all of your liked posts on Instagram. So after liking this post, I'm gonna go ahead and open my profile, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right, and then from here tap on the three lines in the top right corner right here, guys. So tap right there, and then from here you to tap on this thing that is called your activity, and here you find all of your actions on Instagram. To find the liked posts, of course, we tap on the likes button at the very top of these options right here. Wait for a couple of seconds, and here you go, guys. Every single post that you have ever liked on Instagram will be right here, including the one that you have liked in 1 minute ago. Here it is, guys. If you want to remove any video or any post from here, you need to go ahead and open it and then tap on the heart again to unlike it, basically. From here it will be appearing in the top. We need to go ahead and quit from here and then tap on likes again, and it will be removed from here, as you can see, guys, very easily. You can repeat this process whenever you want, and that will be basically how can you find all of your liked videos on Instagram. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and leave your questions and comments in the comment section. Of course, subscribe to the channel for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.